The Model S Plaid has been the talk of the town ever since it debuted last year. It has become the king of the drag strip within a short span of time, but it wasn't as good on circuits and tracks as it was on straight roads. Don't get me wrong, it is a beast even there, but it needed something like the Model 3 Performance's track mode to complete it. Fast forward to the present day, Tesla has done exactly that. Plaid Track Mode is rolling out to Model S Plaid vehicles across North America. But what is Plaid Track Mode? What's it good for? And how has it changed the Model S Plaid? Keep watching to find out. By any metric, the Tesla Model S Plaid is capable of stupendous performance. The 1,020 horsepower tri-motor electric hatchback hits 60 miles per hour from a standstill in a factory estimated 1.99 seconds, and yet it manages nearly 400 miles of overall range. But when it comes to spirited EV driving, the most difficult thing is often the repeatability or longevity of such high performance. With its latest over-the-air software update, Tesla is taking steps to improve the Plaid's dynamics and high-performance durability with a new track mode. Since track mode was launched in 2018 on Model 3 Performance, Tesla has taken advantage of instant motor torque to make cornering on the track feel as natural as forward acceleration. And now, as part of release 2021.44.30, Plaid Track Mode is rolling out to Model S Plaid vehicles across North America. Tesla says that with Plaid Track Mode, their goals were simple: achieve the quickest lap time for a production electric vehicle at Germany's Nürburgring, and allow individual adjustability of stability control, handling balance, and regenerative braking to give drivers more authority over vehicle control at the racetrack. Plaid Track Mode has developed to take full advantage of Model S Plaid's tri-motor platform and more than 1,000 horsepower on tap, with features which include optimized powertrain cooling. Track driving generates an enormous amount of heat in the battery, motors, and brakes. Maximum track endurance is achieved by managing this heat to keep these components as cool as possible. When Plaid Track Mode is engaged, the Model S Plaid drops the temperature of the battery pack and motors to create a significant amount of chilled thermal mass. Once track driving begins and heat is generated, shared coolant loops between the battery and motors keep the entire system cooler for longer. With Plaid Track Mode, Tesla also increased regenerative braking power on the Model S Plaid, which has three major benefits: recapture more energy during deceleration, reduce the load on the friction brakes for better thermal management, and give the driver better modulation and controllability with a single pedal. Lateral torque vectoring. Using the same foundation as Model 3 Track Mode, the Plaid Track Mode relies heavily on front and rear motors to command rotation. Additional torque applied to the rear axle helps turn the nose of the car into a corner. Torque applied to the front axle arrests rotation to pull the car straight. Building on this principle, Model S Plaid's dual rear motors enable full lateral torque vectoring. With track mode activated, Plaid automatically adjusts torque split across the rear wheels independently, which applies a torque bias to rotate the car through turns. This increases turn-in response, improves on-center steering feel, and delivers even greater yaw control throughout a corner. Compared to traditional open slip and limited slip differentials, which must always compete between turn-in response and maximum traction, the Model S Plaid's electric motor adjusts in milliseconds to give the driver both strength simultaneously, allowing for faster turn-in, increased cornering speeds, and higher acceleration on corner exit. Adjustable vehicle dynamics. During normal road driving, the Model S Plaid stability control systems are optimized to limit tire slippage and maximize grip to keep the driver safe. In Plaid Track Mode, stability controls enter a race, turning to give the driver maximum control over the car's lateral movement. With Plaid Track Mode engaged, Tesla's Vehicle Dynamics Controller evaluates steering angle, accelerator, and brake pedal inputs to determine where the driver wants to place the car, and will permit tire slippage and automatically adjust torque slip to give the driver even more authority and improved agility during high-speed cornering. For drivers who want additional adjustability over vehicle dynamics, handling balance, stability assist, and regenerative braking can be changed independently based on their skill level and preferences. Adaptive suspension dampening. When Plaid Track Mode is engaged, adaptive suspension dampening is optimized for track handling, reduced pitch during hand braking and fast acceleration, rebalanced dampening to improve responsiveness, and faster settling of vehicle disturbances over bumpy segments to increase driver confidence. To facilitate consistent dynamic driving, ride height is set to low on drive off, and the suspension will no longer automatically raise to improve comfort. Performance UI. Tesla has added a track-focused user interface to provide critical performance data, including a vehicle thermals monitor, lap timer, G-meter, dashcam video capture, and vehicle telemetry, along with several other customizable options. With Plaid Track Mode, Tesla has added a host of new features to make Model S Plaid as quick around a racetrack as it is at the drag strip. Their approach focuses on allowing greater driver control and adjustability while promoting driver confidence, and like most aspects of Tesla vehicles, they'll continue to improve Plaid Track Mode over time with future over-the-air updates. The changes also reportedly include expanding the EV's top speed to 170 miles per hour, an increase from 163 miles per hour. Note that Tesla's consumer website continues to disingenuously claim a 200 mile per hour top speed. To give Model S Plaid owners even more performance capability, Tesla is now offering a carbon ceramic brake kit, which is recommended by Tesla for the ultimate track experience for $20,000. It will be available in mid-2022, Tesla says, and it's only compatible with cars equipped with 21-inch wheels, a $4,500 option, not the standard 19-inch wheels. The 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid starts at $135,690. With this new update, the Tesla Model S Plaid should improve in areas other than just straight line performance. And now, we want to hear from you. Leave your piece down in the comments below. What do you think about the Tesla Model S Plaid? What are your thoughts on the new Plaid Track Mode? Do you think it's a game changer for the game changer of the EV market? Whatever you might be thinking, let us know, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.